Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying capability. A 4G phone cannot natively attach to 5G new radio, so you must prepare alternatives. Make sure your Geo SIM is upgraded to the latest provisioning profile. Some features require a 5G-ready SIM even if the phone stays 4G. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier settings so LTE, VoLTE, and CA enhancements work reliably. This maximizes throughput on Geo's network and sets up the next step. Choosing the right access method to use. Now configure your phone for optimal performance on Geo's network. Go to Mobile Network Settings and choose LTE/Auto so the handset uses the strongest LTE bands. This helps in areas with 5G overlay. Enable VoLTE and enhanced 4G options because they improve call stability and can enable higher data throughputs. Next, confirm the Geo APN entries match carrier specs. If you see inconsistent data, delete and re-enter the APN to force fresh provisioning and signal re-registration. To actually consume Geo 5G speeds on a 4G handset, use a 5G-capable device or router as your bridge. Enable the 5G device's hotspot or Wi-Fi tether, then connect your 4G phone as a client. This delivers 5G backhaul to the phone over Wi-Fi while the phone remains on 4G radio for cellular services. Once connected, test throughput and latency. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot connect or speeds are poor, reboot both devices, toggle the hotspot, reinsert the SIM, and verify the operator provisioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.